Mantra will not be effective if it does not touch your heart. And all mantras have the same power. In the realm of bhoga, that's a different matter. You can't ask Saraswati Devi for wealth. You go to Lakshmi Devi. But when you are dealing with attaining liberation, all mantras are relating to Brahman. Brahman is the one. All mantras are different aspects. It's like you are one person, but you have countless pictures. All mantras are pictures of Brahman. Mantras and their gods. And that's the meaning of Ananya Bhakti. Your devotion is not based upon going after so many gods. No matter which Ishta mantra you have adopted, it is the same Brahman. In a mantra always you say, Shri Ramaya Namah. Your term relates to Hridayam, heart. Namah Shivaya. And Namah relates to shedding your I-ness and mindness. So no matter which mantra you are doing, or simply Om, it's enough to lead you to liberation. But it has to be your Ishta mantra. Ishta means your mind must allow that mantra to become so highlighted. Just like you have so many houses and you can be invited into them by your friends. But ultimately you come to your house to be really restful. You can have all mantras in your japa, etc., and your bhajans. But deep in your own personal life, your mind should be on one central Rama or Krishna, Buddha or Jesus. And that's why Ishta mantra. And even if you are surprised, even if you are worshipping different deities, your mind is only on your Ishta mantra. It is Ishta mantra that is manifesting as Lakshmi, as Saraswati, as Shiva, and so forth. So that's the real meaning behind Ishta mantra. Otherwise, you are going after so many bhogas, and there is calculations. How many times you have to repeat your mantra, how many bijaksharas you have to add to it, and so forth. All that have also their role,